The kidneys are essential organs in the human body. They are used in filtering waste products, maintaining electrolyte balance, and regulating blood pressure. Chronic kidney disease is a prevalent medical condition affecting millions worldwide. Avoiding such diseases is really important for the healthy function of kidneys. While medical interventions are vital, incorporating specific foods into your daily diet can contribute to the repairing of kidneys. In this video, we will talk about 12 foods that can help repair your kidneys. Berries. Berries, including blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries, are renowned for their rich antioxidant content, primarily attributed to flavonoids and anthocyanins. These antioxidants combat harmful free radicals and reduce oxidative stress and inflammation, mitigating potential damage to kidney tissues. Berries are also low in potassium, a crucial consideration for individuals with compromised kidney function, as excess potassium can burden the kidneys. Additionally, the high fiber content in berries supports digestive health, indirectly promoting kidney function by aiding efficient waste elimination. Garlic. Garlic, a flavorful and aromatic herb, has been recognized for its potential benefits in kidney health for centuries. It contains allicin, a compound known for its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. These attributes aid in reducing inflammation and oxidative stress in the kidneys. Garlic may also help regulate blood pressure, a critical factor in maintaining healthy kidney function, by assisting in blood pressure management. Garlic contributes to the overall well-being of the kidneys and can potentially slow down the progression of kidney disease. Egg whites. Egg whites are a high-quality source of protein, containing all essential amino acids while being low in phosphorus. This makes them a suitable protein option for individuals with kidney disease who need to limit phosphorus intake. Adequate protein is essential for muscle maintenance and repair, and choosing egg whites can help achieve this without overburdening the kidneys. Cauliflower. Cauliflower, a versatile cruciferous vegetable, offers several benefits for kidney health. It's low in potassium and phosphorus, making it a kidney-friendly option. Moreover, cauliflower is rich in compounds that support liver function, indirectly aiding the kidneys by assisting in the detoxification process. Incorporating cauliflower into the diet can contribute to a well-rounded approach to kidney health. Red grapes. Red grapes and their derivative, red grape juice, have been associated with various health benefits, including potential advantages for kidney health. They contain natural compounds such as flavonoids and resveratrol, which have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. These compounds can help reduce oxidative stress and inflammation in the kidneys, providing a supportive environment for kidney function. Additionally, red grapes are low in potassium, making them a suitable fruit choice for individuals with kidney concerns. Watermelon. Watermelon is a hydrating fruit with a high water content, making it an excellent choice for kidney health. Staying well hydrated is crucial to maintain kidney function and prevent kidney stones. Watermelon also contains lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that may help protect against certain kidney conditions. Additionally, it's low in potassium, making it suitable for those with kidney issues. Apples. Apples are a widely accessible and beneficial fruit for kidney health. They are low in sodium, phosphorus, and potassium, making them suitable for individuals with compromised kidney function. Apples also contain natural fiber, promoting digestive health and preventing constipation. Pectin, a soluble fiber found in apples, can help eliminate toxins from the digestive tract, indirectly benefiting kidney function by reducing the overall toxin load in the body. Olive oil. Olive oil is an excellent source of healthy fats, primarily monounsaturated fats, which have been associated with lower inflammation and reduced risk of heart disease. In the context of kidney health, using olive oil instead of unhealthy fats can contribute to overall well-being. It's a heart-healthy choice that indirectly benefits the kidneys by maintaining good cardiovascular health, a key factor in kidney function. Onions. Onions are a flavorful and aromatic addition to various dishes and can also be beneficial for kidney health. They contain chromium, a mineral that helps regulate blood sugar levels. Maintaining stable blood sugar is crucial for kidney health, as prolonged high blood sugar levels can lead to kidney damage. Onions are also a source of antioxidants that can reduce inflammation and support overall well-being. Including onions in your diet in moderate amounts can be a savory and kidney-friendly way to promote renal health. Red bell peppers. Red bell peppers are a superb source of vitamins A, C, and B6, as well as folic acid and fiber. The high levels of vitamin C in red bell peppers act as an antioxidant, protecting the kidneys from harmful free radicals and promoting a healthy immune system. Additionally, they contain a low amount of potassium, making them a kidney-friendly food. The abundance of vitamins and minerals in red bell peppers supports overall health and aids in maintaining optimal kidney function. Cabbage. Cabbage is a cruciferous vegetable that is low in potassium and a good source of fiber. Its low potassium content makes it suitable for individuals with kidney issues, as excessive potassium can be harmful. Additionally, cabbage contains compounds that may help detoxify the body, reducing the workload on the kidneys. The fiber in cabbage supports digestive health and helps with waste elimination, indirectly benefiting kidney function. Whether you include it in salads, soups, or stir-fries, cabbage is a versatile and kidney-friendly choice. Fatty fish. Fatty fish, such as salmon, mackerel, and sardines, are exceptional sources of omega-3 fatty acids, particularly eicosapentaenic acid and docosahexaenic acid. Omega-3 fatty acids exhibit potent anti-inflammatory properties. This is significant for individuals with kidney disease, as excessive phosphorus can be detrimental to kidney function. In conclusion, maintaining kidney health is essential for overall health, especially for those at risk of or dealing with chronic kidney disease. Incorporating kidney-friendly foods like the ones mentioned into the diet can play a significant role in supporting kidney function and potentially aiding in repair processes. A balanced diet, in conjunction with medical guidance, can contribute to better management and preservation of these vital organs, ultimately enhancing the quality of life for individuals facing kidney-related challenges. So take care of your kidneys. Check out this video we made about everyday habits destroying your kidneys, and if you found the video helpful, give us a big thumbs up and subscribe to Keeping It Healthy for more health-related content.